Feeling like you are an island in your career, overwhelmed, disconnected, and wondering where the joy went. You are not alone. Many mid career professionals feel this gnawing lack of community even amidst success. But what if I told you the secret to unlocking real happiness is not another promotion or a bigger paycheck or something far more profound, something within your reach right now? The secret to true happiness is not in your bank balance, your title, or your possessions, but in the face around you. Once Mother Teresa told, "Go home and love your family." Adler the philosopher told, "Give and it shall be given unto you." These are not hollow words, they are master keys to lasting joy and meaningful relationship and even world peace. And today I am going to show you how you can unlock this secret starting right now without waiting for your circumstances to change. Let us dive into the problem. What exactly is the problem? Mid career loneliness is not about being alone, it is about feeling unseen. There are three paradoxes. The comrade paradox means we network for opportunities but avoid vulnerability. Second, the comparison trap. Social media like LinkedIn convinces us everyone else is winning. The spiritual starvation, we sacrifice community for productivity only. You have achieved a lot, but there is a quite emptiness. You have colleagues, but not comrades. You have connections, but no community. You feel productive, but not fulfilled. Why? Because somewhere along the journey, we have been conditioned to focus on self over society, on what we get rather than what we can give or what we give. Our unhappiness often comes not from the big struggles like education or career, but from nothing days, common days, the ordinary moments we fail to feel with meaning. And here is the trap. When life feels uninspiring, we wait for others to make the first move. But lasting happiness is born when you take the first step, when you become the giver of trust, respect, and love. Here is my introduction. Namaskar, I am Janardhan Kar. After 4 decades in leadership roles, I have seen the two kinds of people. One, those who chase success and end up lonely at the top. Second type, those who create deep bonds, serve others, and live with peace in their heart, and in the process also rise in their career. Through my Khema yoga method, which I developed, I help mid career professionals not just to grow in their careers, but grow into the kind of people others love to work with, live with, and trust deeply. Today, I'm sharing my 6 step community and happiness blueprint, time tested, rooted in timeless wisdom. Here is the 6 step solution. Step number one, shift from me to we. Ask yourself daily, am I looking for what I can get or what I can give? Your mindset determines your community. Here is a tip. Start every morning by sending one encouraging message to a friend or colleague, that is comrade. The shift in your day will surprise you. Now comes the step number two, that is build micro trust daily. Big trust is built in small moments. Second, keep promises even if they are small ones. Listen to people without rushing to reply. Offer help before it is asked. Like Mother Teresa told, love the person in front of you. Here comes step number three. Find comrades, not just contacts. A contact is someone you meet at a networking event. A comrade is someone who will stand with you when the storm hits in rough time. Here is a tip. Identify 5 people in your life you want to deepen bonds. Schedule regular touch points, not for transaction, but for genuine conversations. Now comes step number four, that is, practice everyday courage to love. It requires a lot of courage to love. Love is not weakness, it is courage in action. We believe love is a weakness, but it is not. It is courage in action. Compliment sincerely. Whenever you compliment, do it sincerely. Apologize for anything you have done wrong. The courage to be vulnerable is the gateway to genuine connection. Here comes the step number five. Serve without scorekeeping. Normally, we do is serve to somebody and keep a score. It is not correct. Adler said his wisdom is give and it shall be given to you. Believe that. When you give without keeping score, relationship flourish naturally. Volunteer your time or your skill. Mentor someone without expectations. Celebrate others' wins as your own. Here comes step number six, that is, transform nothing days, that ordinary days, into legacy days. Happiness is not found in grand moments, it is created in the here and now. Share a meal with a family member, walk with a neighbor, turn small acts into rituals. These ordinary moments become the thread of your life story. At the end, the conclusion and your CTA is true happiness is community powered. Look at the person in front of you as a comrade. About replacing fear with a trust, replacing selfishness with service. Now, if you're feeling stuck in mid career life, the solution is not out there. It is right here in your hands, in your heart. And I want to help you to make that shift. Join my free webinar where I will guide you to build your personal codex for fulfillment and connection. You will get actionable steps, the tools, and the tribe of like minded professionals to grow together. Click the link even given in the description to reserve your spot. Thank you for listening. Remember, love is the courage to take first step, and when you give, the world gives back in ways you cannot imagine. If you find this interesting, then share it with somebody who will benefit from it. So let us start now. Again, I thank you for listening the video fully. Thank you and start your happiness from now, from this moment.